Hey kids, don't forget to subscribe to watch fun and exciting videos. There are so many amazing surprises waiting for you ahead. Wait a minute, a meteor is zooming down super fast. What's going to happen next? Oh no! The meteor has crashed right into the construction site.
What happened?
The giant meteor is sitting right in the middle of the construction site. What should we do now?
Aha!
Wow, it looks like the excavator has found a way to handle the meteor. You can do it! Keep going! Wait a second! A meteor crater has appeared. It's so huge! Oh no! The wind is picking up and the rain is falling. The crater is going to fill with water.
Woohoo! Woo woo woo! Oh no! Help! Help me! Oh no!
The water has gone down a bit, but it looks like two vehicles are stuck. Someone please come and rescue them.
Oh no! Oh no!
What happened?
Help! Help me!
Don't worry, I'm coming to save you.
It looks like the excavator doesn't have enough strength to pull the vehicles up anymore.
Aha!
Amazing! The police car and the crane have arrived to help. There's hope to rescue the vehicles from
Help
the
me.
crater.
Hooray!
Look at those cars covered in dirt and mud. Hurry up! Call for a car wash.
Woohoo!
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Goodbye! Bye-bye!
Bye!